have seen a little bit of profit taking across most sectors of our market, and of course ahead of next week's earnings reporting season, which is due to kick off. But overall, we have managed to close the week with some gains. The ASX 200 up 0.95%, so just shy of that 1%. Over in the US, we continue to see some strong earnings results coming through, with around 77% of companies so far beating on profit expectations. And of course, we also continue to see a lot of that strong economic data coming through. Existing home sales hit an 8-month high, manufacturing PMI remained strong, inflation remained relatively benign at 1.9%, and we did continue to see some falls in those jobless claims to the lowest level since 2006. Over in China, we saw HSBC's manufacturing PMI data coming through, which was in fact ahead of expectations, really showing signs that the Chinese economy is looking like it is stabilising. And of course, this adds to a lot of strong economic data we have seen coming through in terms of that GDP data bouncing back to 7.5%, as well as industrial production and retail sales remaining strong as well. And of course, over in Australia, we saw June quarter inflation coming through as expected at 0.5% for the quarter and 3% for the year. And really that leaves plenty of scope for the RBA to leave cash rates low at 2.5% for now. The best performers this week have been that information technology sector up 1.9%, as well as financials up 1.3%, and the worst performer being staples down about 0.2%. Of course, looking at the week ahead, it really will be all about this earnings reporting season, which is due to kick off. On Monday, we have Leighton Holdings as well as Navitas releasing their results. We also have BC Iron coming through with its quarterly production result. On Tuesday, we have production results coming through from Beach Energy and Evolution Mining. And of course, on the economic data front, we have new home sales coming through for June. On Wednesday, we have Genworth reporting its result, and we also have Woolworths' fourth quarter sales and revenue result. Over in the US, a lot of the focus will be around the Fed commentary, and we are expecting them to continue winding back their bond buying program by another $10 billion. And of course, we also have second quarter GDP coming through over in the US. On Thursday, we have production reports from Origin Energy, Paladin Energy and Linus Corporation as well. Over in Australia, economic data, we have building approvals as well as Australia's private sector credit due through for June. And finally, on Friday, we have ResMed's result coming through. We have China's official manufacturing read, and of course over in the US we have some of that jobs data, so the non-farm payrolls data, as well as the unemployment rate coming through for July. So it certainly will be another big week ahead, particularly around the reporting season, which is due to kick off, and we are hoping that the Australian market will maintain its resilience.